Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add beautiful outline to your text in Canva Pro application. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application. After that you have to click on text and select any format. For example, I want to add a heading, so I will click on add a heading. After that I have to write some text. For example, I want to write outline text, and after that you can adjust the size of text and then click on text and scroll to the right, and here you can see effects. So click on effect, and here you can see different options. So scroll to the right, and here you will see an outline option. Here is outline option, so click on it, and from click on these three lines, and from here you can adjust the color of outline. For example, I will click on it, and here I will give different color outline. For example, I can select this color, I can select this color, and any color that you want you can select here. So for example, I have selected this color, and after that I want to adjust the thickness of this outline. So I will click on this line, and if we move this line to left, then outline thickness will be reduced, and if I move this outline into the right, then thickness of this text is increased. So you can see you can adjust the thickness of this outline by only moving this line. So guys, in this way you can add outline to your text in Canva Pro application very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.